BJP's Varun Gandhi has rarely shied away from speaking out his mind. The Lok Sabha MP from Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh, has often discomforted his party colleagues by openly supporting the agitating farmers. Even after the Lakhimpur Kheri violence on Sunday, Gandhi paid tributes to the deceased farmers and wrote to UP CM Yogi Adityanath demanding a CBI probe into the incident and strict action against the culprits. And now it is being claimed on social media that upset over the Lakhimpur Kheri violence, Gandhi has removed BJP from his Twitter bio, an indication that he may soon quit the party. Some netizens even speculated that he might join the Congress. The claim is viral on Twitter and Facebook. Even some news portals have published similar posts. India Today Anti-Fake News War Room has found the viral claim to be untrue. Gandhi's Twitter bio did not have the word BJP for the last 7 years. The last time it was seen was way back in October 2014. As per Spoonbill, an online tool that tracks profile changes of Twitter users, Gandhi had last changed his Twitter bio on June 14, 2019, when he added Pilibhit in it. There was no mention of BJP even at that time. The tool further shows that Gandhi had used BJP in his bio till October 14, 2014. After that, he never used the same. We found multiple archives of Gandhi's Twitter bio. The latest is of September 5, 2021, which shows that BJP was not written in the bio. The other archives also clarified that Gandhi had last used his party's name in the profile in October 2014. In June this year, a news website had tweeted about Gandhi joining the Congress. At that time, he had called it a malicious and motivated piece of fake news. Hence, it can be concluded that the viral claim about Gandhi removing BJP from his Twitter bio recently is untrue. The MP never mentioned his party's name since 2014.